In this video, I will guide you how to insert screenshot in Word document. So let me open my on-screen keyboard and you will see that print screen button on your the keyboard like this one. So you need to click on this button and then head to the area which you want to take the screenshot. For example, I am taking screenshot of this particular area and now close it, and now place the cursor where you want to paste the screenshot and put the control V all together, and here you can see that screenshot is inserted. You can resize it by dragging this white dot and you can rotate from this rotate handle, make it short and place anywhere on the Word document. So this way you can easily insert screenshot in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.